Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOUV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a lot easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today, once again, updates need to be made with the price putting in new highs here. So first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, but as far as kind of from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. So yes, that level pertains, just not really relevant right now. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And so far, so good. So 0016 was that area of resistance going into today, but the price got up above it, and you could throw this example or this chart right into a textbook as an example. Like I said, you would want to see it act as support, and that's exactly where the price bounced off of. The past 2 times during the final hour of the day. Remember, each of these is 30 minutes, so the combination of those 2 candles would be an hour. But good to see 0016 now acting as support. This will mean, or I should say, really, this will sound a little bit like a broken record, but I don't care. I'm going to keep saying it because it really does do the best job of symbolizing and making the overall chart the easiest to measure. So as far as the overall chart, the overall health of the move, that right there being defined as the overall move. How do you measure the health of it? Just keep watching that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to keep on moving higher and higher. If you want to picture that as like a trend line that draws itself for you, that works too. So as long as the price remains above the uptrending quote-unquote trend line, then the bulls are in 100% health of the chart, and the bulls are firing on all cylinders. Nothing can go straight up. That's impossible. So sure, I get it. If you bought at the highs today, then yeah, the price did pull back a little bit, but that's more of a day trader type flipper perspective. Assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, then as you can see here, the price has done a great job of building those higher lows. And as long as the price is above that purple line, that's what you want to see. As far as resistance levels, the party stopped today right up there at the 0021 mark. So 0021, public enemy number 1 going forward. But all in all, just keep focused on building higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.